If you want to level up your English faster than everyone else, you need this word. Stark. It's an adjective, and it has two main meanings commonly used by native speakers. Meaning A, very clear, very strong, or very obvious, often showing a big difference. Use case, emphasizing contrast or clarity. Example, there is a stark difference between the economic prosperity of the city center and the struggles of its outskirts. Explanation, the difference is very obvious and strong. Meaning B, severe, bare, or plain in appearance. Use case, describing an environment, style, or appearance that is simple, undecorated, or harsh. Example, the room was stark and empty, with nothing on the walls, giving it a cold atmosphere. Explanation, the room was very bare and plain, with no decoration. Follow Piece of Cake Speak English now. Miss the next word, and your English won't grow as fast as everyone else's.